Do you want to know my favorite product in the Norwex catalog? The Norwex Mop System. Why do I love it so much? Because before Norwex, my least favorite cleaning chore was floors because it felt like I would work so hard and in the end they would feel sticky and tacky and look smudgy and smeary and leave all that residue behind. So when I met the Norwex mop, it was love at first use and I cannot wait to share it with you. So the Norwex mop comes in a couple different color options for you. So for instance, with the mop system, you're gonna get the handle, which will come separate from the base. Okay, you'll get the base, and then you'll get two mop pads, the dry mop pad and a wet mop pad. Now with this system, with the charcoal and black handle, it'll come with two gray, but on the back, they are color coded for you. So at a glance, you can quickly know which one is your dry, silent vacuum cleaner. We call this your dry mop pad, your sweeper. That's yellow sunny dry, or your wet mop pad, which is blue water wet, okay? So let me quickly show you how to use this mop. I'll use this one here. All right. So first of all, you want the mop to be about nose chin height. So I just put my foot on the base, I turn lefty-loosey, come up to my nose, and then righty-tighty, and there you go. Now you'll notice that there is a lock on it, and the reason being is you can lock this in place, clean walls, clean high windows, so that's great, but for floors you want it unlocked, okay, so it can swivel. You'll also notice that I have the mop pad off-centered to one side. That helps me get in the corners with this side, and this side, as I go around the perimeter of the room, will flip up and actually dust the floorboards. Okay, so we've got the dry mop pad, your sweeper on first. You'll just collect, this collects all the pet hair, the fine debris and dust and whatever it is at your house. Now when you're done, you'll probably have some debris on it. So you go over the garbage and just brush that into the garbage. And that way you don't have to launder your mop pad every time you mop. Then you'll take your dry mop pad off and time to put on the wet mop pad. So for the wet mop pad, you are literally cleaning your floor with just water and Norwex Backlock microfiber, which means instead of using chemical cleaning, you're mechanically removing everything from the surface, and like the other Norwex microfiber, removing up to 99% of bacteria from the surface using just water when you're following the proper use and care instructions, all right? So we're gonna put the wet mop pad down, and then we just pop the mop on there. And this is amazing. I find that with just water, this leaves our floors streak-free and just gleaming. So I am super excited. It is so easy to use this mop. I know you're gonna love it. Now, there are 3 ways you can get it. You can purchase it. It comes in a package deal for you. I definitely recommend adding on the rubber brush if you're going to be buying that. I think you'll be happy you got it. The second way is host a demo. This is probably the #1 reason a lot of my hosts decide to do a party, because they want to get it for free, and our host plan is amazing. Or you can join as a consultant and get it for free, earn it for free in your consultant starter kit. Currently, the charcoal mop is now in the consultant starter kit. So I hope this has been super helpful as you start your Norwex mopping journey, and I can't wait to hear how you love it. Share in the comments below. Thanks for joining me.